In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh an Outlook calendar subscription in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Calendar in Chrome. Using Chrome helps keep the process consistent and avoid small differences you might see in other browsers. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the section called Other Calendars. This is where subscribed calendars usually appear, including calendars that were previously added from Outlook. Find the existing Outlook calendar in that list. Before you add a new version of the calendar, you'll want to remove the old subscription so Google Calendar is no longer trying to use an outdated feed. To do that, click the X next to the Outlook calendar under Other Calendars. This unsubscribes the current version from your Google Calendar. If you have several subscribed calendars listed, take an extra second to make sure you're removing the correct one. That helps avoid confusion later and keeps your calendar list organized. After the old Outlook calendar has been removed, the next part of the process happens in Outlook on the web. Open Outlook Web in a new tab or window and sign in if needed. From there, go into Settings, then look for Shared Calendars. This is the area where Outlook lets you manage calendar publishing and sharing options. Inside Shared Calendars, generate a fresh, updated ICS link for the calendar you want to use. An ICS link is the subscription link that allows Google Calendar to pull in a read-only version of your Outlook calendar. Creating a fresh link is important because it ensures you're working with the most current calendar feed, especially if the previous one stopped syncing correctly or was linked improperly. Once that updated ICS link has been created, you'll be ready to use it for a new subscription in Google Calendar. The key idea here is that removing the old calendar first and then generating a new ICS link gives you a clean reset, which often solves sync issues and helps make sure future updates come through properly. As a final tip, after generating the new link, keep it secure and avoid sharing it publicly unless you specifically want others to be able to view that calendar. Subscription links can provide access to calendar details, so it's a good habit to treat them carefully. That's the full process for refreshing your Outlook calendar subscription in Google Calendar.